What is going on, you guys? This is Tech HD coming at you with a brand new video, and I'm super excited for this video because we're going to be doing a taste test of GFUEL's new collector's box of Marvel Studios Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. This one is the Orange Madness flavor. This is their hydration one, and I'm super excited. So we got the tub, we got the collector's box, we got the shaker cup. Just want to let you guys know that the movie is now available only in theaters, so definitely go check it out. And this will be available now for pre-order, and it should be shipping sometime in June. And make sure to use code TechHD to get 10% off your purchase. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, you guys, so we got the collector's box right here. We got Marvel Studio Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness only in theaters. It's available now, so definitely go check it out. We got the GFUEL hydration, and then over here we got electrolytes, focus, vitamins, and all. You guys are already used to it. And then look at that, we got the beautiful artwork. We got Doctor Strange, we got Wong, we got the Scarlet Witch, and then we got America Chavez. We got zero sugar, caffeine, and calories. Look at that. This is beautiful. I really like the design of it. And of course, we got the main icons. Look at that. Look at that Scarlet Witch one. And look at that America Chavez. Ooh, these look really nice. Alright, so let's get into this. We got the shaker cup over here. We got the nice blue design with the orange and even a lighter orange. And then we got the GFUEL logo, of course. And then on the other side, we got Doctor Strange. And then we got the text, really nice. Very similar to the Spider-Man one. I really like the design of this. Very clean, very nice. And then of course we gotta have a sticker. So we got the nice beautiful design of the GFUEL and the Doctor Strange one. So now that we took a look at the collector's box, let's go ahead and start with the taste test. Alright, so now we got a good amount of ice in the shaker cup, and we got some nice fresh cold water. Let's go ahead and test this out. Alright, so woo, nice. Alright, cheers everyone. That's smooth. Alright, so it's not so watered down or anything like that, and at the same time it's not strong, like too strong. It tastes really smooth. Definitely taste that orange, and definitely smell it too. Yeah, I can't say enough how smooth this drink actually is. And like I said, it's not watered down and it's not too strong, so like you definitely taste it. Oh yeah, that is really good. Alright, so that is the Orange Madness flavor. This is the Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness partnered with GFUEL. Definitely check out the movie. If you guys haven't seen it already, what are you guys doing? It is available now only in theaters. Definitely check it out, as well as grab yourself some Orange Madness. This is available now for pre-order, and it should be shipping sometime in June. And definitely use code TechHD to get 10% off your purchase. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys try out, and let me know what I should mix it with. If I should mix it with other hydration flavors, I would definitely try that out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, and TikTok. As always, Tech HD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.